So today's episode is all about changing how we think about AI. I want you to think of AI not just as like the high-tech, latest, greatest tech tool, but as a member of your team who brings unique skills to the table. Yes, we are continuing from where we left off yesterday. Now, remember, yesterday I shared with you the analogy of a sports team. So just like any good teams on the field or off, success depends on effective collaboration. So today I want to be able to look at how we can really build this relationship with AI that is built on understanding, respect, and sort of like mutual benefits. So collaboration with AI is like any great relationship. It really requires connection, trust, timing, and most importantly, a really good understanding of each other's skills and strengths so that you know who can make what moves. And the reason I was really inspired to make this episode is because a lot of times, whether it's online or, in different places that I go, I always kind of hear people say, well, AI is just not that smart. And it really reminds me of how sometimes we treat people, where we like judge them by like certain societal metrics, like, oh, you're not at this bar or you're not like this, instead of really seeing people for the unique skills and strengths that they bring to the table. And I really, really believe that AI is very similar. It brings a very unique set of skills and strengths depending upon the use case. So what's the best way to start shifting your mindset? Well, first of all, it's really important to set clear expectations. What do you need from your AI partner? What are you hoping that it's going to be able to do for you? And then is it able to follow through based on the instructions you give it? Because how you communicate your needs and its ability to then internalize those responses and produce output for you is really, really important. So let's break these parts down further. Number one, communication. Just as you would with a human teammate, communicating your goals, your objectives, your challenges, your hopes and dreams to your AI tool is going to be so important. And this can really be as simple as refining your prompts to ensure that you are really giving it as much context as possible and kind of talking to it like you would any member of your team. Number two, having a feedback loop. Creating a feedback loop allows AI to basically learn and improve through your interaction. The more feedback you provide, the better it can assist you. And this is something that ChatGPT is also integrating into its actual model, is being able to better learn from its interactions with you. This is sort of like if you can imagine onboarding a new hire and kind of like guiding them through all of the beginning projects that you're working on. So consider, for example, maybe a content creator using an AI for writing assistance. Initially, the AI might not immediately understand your tone or your style, but the more it works with you and the more it gets to know you, the better and better it can perform through the different feedback that you give it and just your interactions that you're having. So as the AI begins to adapt, it eventually is going to become such an integral part of your team, a really important part of your creative process, freeing you to do things that perhaps you just were not able to get to before. So as you think about integrating AI into your team, I want you to reflect on how can I clearly articulate my needs and expectations to the AI tool that I am working with. As always, my favorite is ChatGPT 4, who now have a Teams version. In what ways can I provide constructive feedback to improve AI's performance? How can I ensure a balanced approach, leveraging AI strengths while maintaining human oversight? And of course, when you are ready, I have a prompt for you in the show notes that are always designed for you to kind of edit and personalize and then copy and paste into your favorite AI tool to be able to actually put the ideas that you're hearing on these episodes into practice right away. Remember, we are big believers of getting just 1% better every single day, and that is what these prompts are designed to help you do. Effective collaboration with AI is this journey of mutual growth, that getting 1% better. As you guide and teach your AI, your own ability to guide it is also going to become better, in turn improving your communication and your interaction. So approach this partnership with patience. It's a new skill. We're building it. Get more clarity around how to better articulate and sort of like learn from one another as you see the skills and strengths that it brings to the table. So until our next daily spark, remember that great collaboration is all about bringing out the best in every single individual, including now AI. So here's to building a future where humans and AI are able to really work hand in hand, creating something that is bigger than the two individual pieces alone.